Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math. The idea of limits, a graphical approach. Let's take a look at this function and specifically hone in around x equals -2. If we try to evaluate the function at -2, there's no point there, so certainly f of -2 does not exist. However, if we look around -2 and we inch closer from the left and the right, we see that the function looks like it's getting closer and closer to a y value of 3. So we can say the limit as x approaches -2 of f of x equals 3, even if there isn't a point there. Let's look over here on the right at x equals 3. There's a point here, f of 3 is equal to 1, and also from the left side and the right side, our function is approaching that y value of 1 as well. So similarly, we can say the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x is equal to 1. As a rule, limits are only concerned about what a function is doing around a specific x value, and not exactly at it.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.